Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to find the moment of inertia inside the CAD software. So normally in the mechanical we have three type of moment of inertia: mass moment of inertia, area moment of inertia and polar moment of inertia. So first of all we have to start with the mass moment of inertia. For that, finding out the mass moment of inertia, particularly I created two models over here. So normally mass moment of inertia is defined to resist the offered by the body to rotate due to its own masses. Okay. So for that one we have to one tool like measure body inside our NX software. So I can select over here and I will suppose I want to find out this beam moment of mass moment of inertia. I select over here. Normally by associative or this kind of features we only get the information like volume, surface area, mass, radius of gyration and weight. But I want to get the mass moment of inertia. You can directly get it by just click on the show information video tip. Okay, so you can get the whole result regarding what exactly mass moment of inertia for particular in the x, z, y or z direction. You can directly save as and you can take it out also. Okay, so this thing will be easy. Now we have to calculate area moment of inertia. For that we required some cross sectional area of this one. So for that I will create one clip section. Okay, edit section. So by edit section command you can directly get the curve over here. Okay, so for that edit section and section curve area you can show section curve preview and select the save copy of section curves and put it okay. And now for analyzing the moment of inertia you have to go menu, analysis, section inertia, and over there we have three options. Choose the existing section and select by connected curve, put it in curve rule list and select the curve. You can directly in the output also you can finding out like principal axis and rectangular section for particular eye section, and we can get the details like that one. And you in the over here also directly you can get the show information and you can directly drag it and put it out. Otherwise click OK. You can directly find out in the form of PMI. Thank you guys.